So how to utilize yesterday's session even more comfortably and more practically and more easily means, first of all, observe your understanding regarding the yesterday session, and also basic thing, you have to identify your ability regarding the calculating part. For that, I will use some cross checks. Just go through that. Any obstacle is there, just take it easy, don't worry, but make it more practice. For example, somebody is having some problem with the basic tables. So first what you do, you just make a what happened? This one, right? Change the color. Okay, okay. This one. Okay, okay. It's already black color, is there? Okay. Done. Okay, thank you. See. Just to cross check you, just take random numbers, whatever it may be. Take some random numbers. For example, I am checking only up to 10. 7, like that, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5. And here also random numbers, 8, 7, 9, 6, 5. This table has to be completed within minute. This is the first basic hurdle you have to complete. Within minute you have to complete this one. If you are not able to complete anything now, just leave it and go, because from this you will understand how to do the problems as well. Whenever you are doing any exam, whatever it may be, CSAT or whatever it may be, if you don't know the question, just leave it. Don't take much time. This is that practice session, and you will also get that familiarity with the tables. Are you all comfortable now? Okay. So now just I am giving 8, 7, just note it down. 8, 7, just write now 56, 64, 72, 8, 6 are 48, 40, 49, 56, 9, 63, 42, 35, 69, 7, 9, 72, 81, 54, 45, 42, 48, 54, 36, 30, 35, 40, 45, 30, 25. Just like that. You have to complete it within minute. Not able to recollect anything, leave it. After completing this, whatever the boxes that is leaving you, you just focus on that. For example, suddenly if I ask you 8 sevens, don't go for 8 ones, 8 twos, 8 threes. You have to get 8 sevens means 56. 9 sevens means 63. 9 eights means 72. Just like that you have to get. This is the basic practice session regarding the 10 tables. After this is completed, then you have to practice this one. I already told you yesterday, the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and 3, 4. Here this table comes, and here already we applied the flow method, and here the reverse flow, and here you have to apply 1 AM. And it has to be completed 5 to 10 minutes. If it is 5 minutes, fantastic, you are on the way. Got it now? Any doubts regarding that? This you have to do at least for 10 to 20 days. Then your speed will be, see, again it is your calculating speed that makes you perfect in whatever the exam it is, and also your understanding ability regarding the problem. These two are within your hands. In my hands only 20% is there. That is the concept I already told. Everyone got the point, na? The first quadrant you already know, that is nothing but table 1. I am mentioning only 7, 8, 9, 6, 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is tables are damn easy that everybody will do. But you will get confusion with this only. Particularly the 8 into 7, 7 into 9, 9 into 7, and 6 into 9. These some things, the usual, it won't come that much easily. So practice on that. That's all. See, mathematics is such a subject. Wherever you go, if there is some fixation, you have to come back and fix it and then go. Generally, you can do the wonders. Okay. Any doubts? 5 minutes I will give. You just tell me whatever the doubts you have in the yesterday session. I will clarify and I will move. And today's session we are going to discuss place value and face value, unit digit. Yesterday's 3 by 3 multiplication. Yesterday we did multiplications with the single digit and double digit. Today we will do 3 by 3 multiplications and also squares, cubes, link between square roots and cube roots, link between square roots and cube roots, and what exactly the meaning of the terms average, percentage, ratio, what is average and percentage and what is ratio, and the meaning of these terms. We'll just go through the meaning of these terms. Today we are going to cover all this stuff. Still, any doubts regarding yesterday's session? Today a little bit of extension of the yesterday's session, and we will do same continuation. What are the related things and all? Okay, you got it now? How to practice this? Sure. Shall I close this? Shall I move to next slide? You know how to practice and all. This is your cup of tea. You have to do. It's your own choice. How much you practice, that is the benefit. How to practice? If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. No issues. Okay. I'm moving the next session. Okay. So you people, yesterday we discussed about the unit place and tens place, carry and borrow. So carry, borrow, the place value is changing. You have to understand what is exactly the meaning of place value. See, for example, 321 is there. The face value and the place value of 1 is 1 only. It is the face value and it is the place value because it exists in the units place. If it is 9 here, it's 9 only. And the place value and face value of 20, face is 2 and the place is 20. Face is 3 and the place is 300. See, wherever you go, your face doesn't change, but the place you will get changed. That means your strength will increase. See, here you will be a little bit quiet. When you go home, that is your choice. That's why place value is more important. Converting, see, for example, in examinations, this is the usage of thing. If 388 is there you have to convert this thing with the place value like this. 3, it is there in hundreds place, plus A, it is there in tens place, so A into 10, and 8, that is there in units place. This value can be converted into 308 plus 10A. This thing that will be useful in doing the problems, just make a note of it. Nothing more is required. Just understand concept, that's all, leave it. Okay, you got it now? Place value, face value, that's all. You know how to convert also, that is required. So wherever it is, you can convert. If it is there, for example, C23 is there, then also you can directly write as a 100C plus 20 plus 3. Okay. Completed. Next. So yesterday we already learned multiplications. In multiplications also, I will give one small technique, and anyhow we are doing squares and square roots, that is also going to helpful. Yesterday 12 into 2113. So we already know the flow method, everyone. So this we are taking and we are considering all single digits and we are applying flow method. 12 twos 24, 12 ones 12, 12 ones 12, and 12 threes 36. So answer 6, 5, 3, 5, 2. Is it okay with everyone? I think. Now my explanation and expansion and extension for this is, for example, you know already 1 AM technique. Am I right? You know 1 AM, na? That is the fourth quadrant. For example, 12 into 11. 1 addition and then multiplication. You know that 1 AM technique. So today I will explain how the 1 AM came and what if the tens place also changes. Okay. Now here my question is 12 into 2113. I make it like this. So here how many digits are there? 2. I have to place 2 digits in the answer as well. That's all. How many digits you take, you have to put that much digits. Rest you have to carry. Got it? I will explain once again. 12 twos, tell me. 12 11s, 132. 32 I am writing because of the 11 and 1 I am carrying. Got it? Next 12 threes as usual. So my final answer is 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2. 2, 5, 3, 5, 6. Is it okay? It is your choice. How much terms you know, how much terms you don't know. Got it, na? No confusion? Make a note. Why I am taking 2 digits here? Because I have multiplying with 2 digits. If I am taking 3 digits here, I will write this. That's all, no? Good. Now my question is, the basic formula for 1 AM is n square NA M. If n is equal to 1, you have to apply this formula. And if you practice n is equal to 2, you can apply the Lage of n is equal to 2 in the sense, what I have to substitute here? 2 square. 2 square means 4. N means again 2. I have add the digits and multiply with 2 and I have to multiply. That's all. If n is equal to 3, you can go for it. 9, 3, add it and triple and then multiply. N is equal to 4 also, what happened? 16, 4a and then m. N is equal to 12, 144, 12a and then m. Got it? Is it any confusion regarding the same? Shall I explain once again? So we will do one thing. We know 13 into 12. So 1 and then 5, addition and then multiplication, that is 6. When you do 23 into 22, tell me. 4, add it. When you add 3 plus 2, how much? So you have to multiply with 2. So 5 2s 10 and then 3 2s. So answer is, that's all. Whatever the digit it is, don't worry, just apply the same logic. Okay. Say yesterday I didn't tell because you have to get familiarity with 1 AM. Once you got familiarity with 1 AM, same process you can continue with any digits, but the process is n square NA M. So n square NA M. though what this is result, how it is came, because n square n a, you can consider this as a n1 into n2, or otherwise just simply remember this one. According to the multiplication, according to your convenience, wherever you want to apply this, you can apply. Example I am telling, if some multiplication is there where you are getting 23 into 125 6 means you can apply like this directly with 23. You got the point now, everyone? So 23 ones you know, 23 25s also you know, you can apply the logic of 1 AM technique, and 23 6 you know. So directly you can do this. Any doubts? I will explain one example. Listen carefully. 23 into 1 3 2. So up to 10 tables we are comfortable, but we don't know 23 table. In this case, what we did yesterday is apply reverse flow. Okay, all you are comfortable na? 23 ones how much? 23. 23 3 we don't know, but simply observe carefully. Here 3 is there. 3 2s how much? 3 3s 9. 69. So simply write 69. Don't do it again on the top side at all. Just imagine to practice like this. Next 23 2s 46. So 46. Because it is difficult to remember tables 23, 33, 43 and all. But it is very easy. We are comfortable with 10 and we know how to practice. That we did with the table 1. That if you do comfortably, then everything is okay. Okay. Now the answer is 6. We know the linked number 1. So we are carrying, and remaining we are writing here. And again 6 linked number 4. We are carrying 1 and 0. So answer is 3036. Any doubt? So now you people are comfortable with the 2 digits. Now I am moving to 3 digits. How to do 3 digit into 3 digit multiplication with more comfortable and more easy, applying both reverse and flow methods. Reverse and flow method and flow method. Got it? This one again. This one. 23 ones how much? 23 into 25. You don't know. So that you have to calculate. 23 into 25. But you can apply the same logic of 4 2 AM n is equal to 2. Okay. So here 4 2 AM. 4 is fixed. 8. Make it double. 16. 5 plus 5 3s are 15. So answer is 575. We got 575, but we are taking how many digits here? So we have to put how many digits here? 2 digits. So what is that? So 5 carry. 5 will be carry. So again 6 will be 6 5 7 8 2. Got it? Any doubts? Okay. So I am applying the places and also the 2 AM technique in the same question. 23 into 6. Okay. 23 into 6. Sorry. 6 2s are how much? Reverse flow. 12. 6 3s are 18. 12, 18 and 38. Got it? Just observe. 12, 12, 18, 12, 18. Practice this. It will be very easy. A little bit practice, that's all. 12, 18, 138. So I am just 1. Sorry. 8, 3, 1. Got it? 8, 3, 138. How many digits are there? Just carry. But here we are taking how many digits? 1. Here, that's why 2. Okay. For this will carry. Any doubts? So make a note of it. Okay. Yesterday we learned 1 am. The base this 1 am is n square nam. This is the formula. If you substitute 1 over here, you will get 1 am. If it is 2, then 4 2 am. If it is 3, 9 3 am. It is 4 16 4 am. There is no need to learn all the formula. Just understand this concept. You can apply whatever the digits you want and directly you can apply. Okay. This is the crucial thing. If you want to practice it. Otherwise, you can do normal multiplication also. It's not a problem. And again, you know flow method, but yesterday we have taken in flow method only one digit at a time. But how to do it more? Because we know the place values. If you consider 2 digits, the importance of place value we know. That's why you have to put the 2 digits again. If you consider 3 digits, you have to put the 3 digits. Rest of the digits you have to carry. So here 3 digits came, 25 into 3. 3 digits came, 1, 3, 8. We are putting only 8 over here, and we are carrying 3 and 1. Got it, na? Any doubts? Okay, shall I move to the next slide? Make a note of it. If you want, I'm moving to next slide. Okay, now we are moving to 3 digit into 3 digit multiplication. All you are comfortable, na? Using both flow and reverse flow at a time. Okay. So 321 into 123. It is very easy. We know one table. 321 ones is how much? 321 ones is how much? 321. 321 twos you don't know. Just double all the digits. You know 642. So we are taking how many digits here? 1. So 640. Now 321 threes. 963. So 963. 3, 8, 14, 9. If you practice this one, is there any exemption for multiplication? So till yesterday we thought that left side it is 1 or 2 digits, but there is no limit for the left side or right side, whatever it may. How many digits on the left side or how many digits on the right side, it doesn't matter. But you have to practice only flow method. If it is not possible, you have to apply the reverse flow method. That's all. Here 3 digits or 3 digits, okay. 4 digits, 4 digits, okay. 5 digits, 5 digits, okay. How many digits, how many digits, okay. No problem. Just apply the flow and reverse flow as per your convenience and apply the logic. Got it? Tell me, Anna. No, we don't know 321 table applied na right now. We don't know 321 table. We applied 321 ones and 321. Why that we know? 321 twos we don't know, but we know 2 table. So imagine this thing like this. We are doing 321 with what? 2. You got it, na? So now 2 threes, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2. So 642. Now next is with 3. 3 threes, 9, 3 twos, 6, 3 ones, 3. That you have to visualize. That will be easy. It's not a problem. You can easily visualize. For example, right now I will tell. Just listen carefully. If I ask 37 eights, just do what I say. Consider here as 3. Even though it is not there, take imagine number. Here 3 is there. Here 38 is there. You are the 7. 38 sevens I am asking. Now tell me 7 to 3 is how much? 21. Now tell me 7 into 8 is how much? 56. So what is the answer? That's all. You have to practice like this only tables. 16 eights means don't go for 16 1, 16 2. 16 eights, 8 ones 8, 8 6 48, 8 above 4, that is 12, 128 is answer. There is no need to learn because we know only table 1, we know only 10 tables. The 10 tables also we learn with numbers only.
Can we separate 321? I mean, we are taking 321 as one.
Together. Don't do that. We are doing in a single stretch. If you separately do now, again 7 8 steps will become. What is the logic of doing that? So what you are telling now, we are separating all the stuff. From school level also we are doing that only. But again we are doing the same mistake means. Got it? Whatever it may be. See, for example, say this is for comfortable purpose. I am telling 3 to 1. Now we will go for 7 8 6 and 8 7 6. No problem. Okay. Got it? See, everyone comfortable with this? Next. So your number 786 into 352. Is it okay? We are doing. You don't know 7 8 table, but we know 3 table na? 21 24. 21 24 234. Got it? Everyone. 21 21 24 234. Everyone agrees? 234 18. 234 18 2358. Agreed? Just a little bit practice, that's all. 2358. So now 786 times 3 is 2358. Got it? Now 5 is there. Imagine 5 is here. 35 40. 35 40 390. 390 30 3930. Okay? Okay or not? If it is not okay, don't worry. Just practice a little bit. That's all. 35 40 30 3930. My question is, if you visualize this one, you can do wonders. That's all. That's what I am telling. This thing you have to write here 3930. Now 786 2 14 16 156 12 1572. 14 16 156 12 1572. 1572 2 157. 8 linked number 2 516 carry 1. 9 1 10 516 carry 1. 336 7 2. So everywhere you just apply the linked numbers, do additions, apply the linked numbers, do subtractions, apply the linked numbers, do multiplications, apply the flow method, apply the reverse flow method. It is required. If it is required a little bit of rough work, go for it, no issues. This is the rough work required for this particular question. Actually, I don't think this is also required. It needs a little bit of practice. I am sure that within week you will cover this one also. So now there is no problem of doing multiplication with n number of digits on the left side and n number of digits on the right side. Okay? By learning this, we are moving into squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots. There are two ways of doing squares. I will explain both. Shall I move to next slide? Which one? The whole process or this one? Whole process. Okay. First make a note of it. Okay. You know flow method, na? So consider this. Consider this. Consider this. Just do only one practice. Only one question practice. So now here, this is the first step. This is the second step. And this is the third step. Okay. Are you comfortable with this? That's all. Understand na? 21, 24, 254, 18, 2358. Next 35, 40, 30, 3930. Next 14, 16, 12, 1562. That's all. See, I am giving the best thing. If you are not comfortable with you, if you are not comfortable, then comfortable, I will go to. If you are not comfortable with this, I will go further also. Don't worry. But if you ask, I will tell. If you are not asking, means you are. I think you are comfortable. Then I will move. No need to explain that as well. I think it's time waste. So everybody agreed with this? Is there any confusion with this? No. Okay. Shall I move to next slide? Okay, na? Done. So now squares and square roots. See, we all know squares. 1 square is what? 1. 2 square is what? 4. My question is, 3 square is what? 4 square? 5 square? 6 square? 7 square? 8 square? 9 square? It is mandatory to know up to this. It is mandatory. But if you are doing square roots and all now, you don't know this, means again problem will come. There is no need to learn any squares apart from this. Most of the institutions or most of the teachers, they will tell learn 50 squares and 20 cubes, so you will get lot of benefits and 20 tables. But learning all this stuff, the time will be over. We won't learn. Till now, we don't learn. That's what I'm telling. No need to learn anything. This is mandatory and 10 tables is mandatory. Okay. Now doing squares. We know the formula of a plus b whole square. What is the formula? You just remember a square plus b square plus 2ab, not it like a square 2ab plus b square. Remember in the same pattern. A square 2ab. You know how this formula came? How? Multiplying with a plus b, just like 2 square is 2 into 2, so a plus b whole square is a into b. Now what is the condition? Nothing. This a and this a what? A square. This b and this b what? B square. And this ab and this ba what? 2ab. This is what you have to do in everything, that's all. If 12 square is there, what? 1, 4. 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 4. If it is 32 square, 9, 4, 6, 6, 12. So answer what? Got it? If it is 102 square, also same thing. 102 square. Considering here 10 as a square, 100, 2 square, 4, 20, 20, 40. So answer. Any doubt? Squares are completed. That's all, na? Is there anything to learn? Simply I am asking. But the thing is, cubes also completed. Also completed. But we know flow method, na? Applying this into same thing. We know 144, we know 12 square. Apply 12 into 144, that is the cube, that's all what is there. We know flow method, na? Cube is also completed. Right? 12 ones, 12 fours, 12 fours. So answer 8, 12, 7, 1. Not. Squares completed, cubes completed. Any doubts? You need some time to digest. Okay, take your own time, no problem. Any digits you can apply. 4, 5, any digits you can apply. It's not a problem. I will explain. Behold. But consider A as the left, this one as B, and this. See, if you are 4 digits, 10, 20, if the 4 digits are there, now I am going to tell, don't worry, you ask, that's why I am telling. A and this is B. 10 square is how much? 20 square is how much? 10 into 20 is how much? 200. 20 into 10 is how much? 200. That is 400. But as far as B is concerned, how many digits you have taken? So how many digits you have to put in between? That's what the logic is. So 2 zeros and 4 is the answer. 004 00401. Already discussed, na? By taking, it's important of the places. How many places you are taking as far as B is concerned. See, you take two. You see how many digits you take for B. You have to put that much digits in between. Got it, na? So I will explain one more question. Don't worry. So see, to avoid that confusion, you just go for A square, 2AB, B square. That is far better for you. For example, see, for this also I will tell one more thing. Here also 123 square. Everyone observe carefully. See, everyone, please observe carefully. Are you comfortable now? Okay. 123 square. So what I am taking here is 12 as A and 3 as B. 12 square is how much? 144. So now A square part is over. Next the part is 2AB. Forget about the B. Now we are going to flow method only. So you are all comfortable with that. That's why. 12 threes, 3 12s, 36 36, 72. So 72, we are taking one digit here because of one digit here. That's all. Next 3 square. So answer is okay. Now, okay, no problem. 151, that's all. Just I will do later. Okay. 123 A B. A square 1. AB 23. BA 23. 23 23. 46. So double it. So for how many digits we are taking here? 2. So I am writing how many digits here? 2 digits. Now 3 square is A square, 2AB, and 3 square is how much? 46. No, 23, sorry. 23 square. 23 square is how much? We are taking B na, 23 na. So 23 square. 23 square is how much? So 4, 12, 9, 529. Okay. So 529. Write it 529. 46, 529. 29, 5, 5, 10, 11. So 15129. Both are same. Na? I didn't add here. 7 plus 4, 11. So 152, 129. Both are same. Got it? Any doubt? See, considering this, if it is 2 digits, you have to take 2 digits as far as B is concerned. In 2AB, B is there. In B square, B is there. So we are taking 2 digits for B. That's all. How many digits you will take for B? That much digits you have to put over there. If you take 3 also, no problem. You have to put 3 digits. 2AB also. See, B is there now, so you have to put 2 digits. BAB, 2AB part also we are putting 2 digits over here. Na? So 1, 23, 23, 46. We have put 46 here. Listen carefully. 23, 23, 46. We have put 46 over. 2 digits we have put over there. Got it? 529. So again 2 digits. Okay. That's why I told previously how many places we are taking, that is more important. As far as A plus B is concerned, that is more important. Actually, I am going to tell this after a while. But anyhow, sir asked the question, so I have completed the same as well. Are you comfortable? Is it okay? Any more questions? Okay. Just make a note of it. We will do that. See, when you are comfortable with the 2-digit multiplication, squares, 2-digit square, 3-digit square, 4-digit square, it's easy for do square roots as well. It's not a problem. But as far examination is concerned, 3 digits are more than enough. But anyhow, I will tell 4 digits as well. Okay. Everybody is okay with this? Still any doubts? Shall I tell one more way? Is it comfortable to you all? Okay. Which one? 1020. Where extra zero is added? Okay, we'll see. We'll see the 4-digit. That is the 4-digit number, na? Now we will see the same. Okay. One more. 12, 13 square. We are going to do. Everyone, just cross check this as well. Now, what is 12 square? 144. What is 12 13s? 1, 5, 6. 13 12s also 1, 5, 6. Double it. 3, 12. Okay. 56. Make it double. 2, 10, 12, 3, 12. Is it okay? This is what 2AB means. Okay. 3, 12. We are taking 2 digits because here 2 digits are there. Now B square. What is B here? 13. What is 13 square? 169. So 169. 9, 6, 3, 1, 7, 4, 1. Just cross check it whether this is the right answer or not. Use calculator. Now you got it, na? No questions, na? Okay. Tell me. Where?
Not this question.
Take 30 as A and 4 as B. If it 3 as A, 3 as A, 0 4 as B, then you have to put 2 digits. If it is not there, you have to put 0. That's all. If you don't have any number, what you have to put? 0. That's all. Two digits. Even though if it is not also, you have to put 0. Stop the digits, you have to carry. Same thing. This thing we understand yesterday even more comfortable, the carry thing and the borrow thing. Okay. Everyone comfortable with this? Okay. Now the squares is over. Pardon, I am not getting.
You should always take 2 digits number for 2AB, like you taking the number of 3 above 4.
See, the formula is A square 2AB B square only, na? Oh, that's why we are taking. See, again, not only that's why. See, when you are doing multiplication, squares, how you do squares? You multiply same number with the same one. That is what the square is. But what is happening here? You are doing the single digit with single digit multiplication. That is what is happening here. And then you are going to this. So that is what the AB is. Again, why the in formula 2AB came? Because now you have to start with B. A is completed according to distribution law. In school level, we pad liya na humne distribution law. So again, B into A is also B. According to commutative property, A into B, B into A both are same. So here again plus BA का मतलब क्या होता है? 2AB. Got it? So that's why in A plus B whole square also 2AB came. It is not like that we are using the formula. Even formula also, why 2AB came this? Because of this. Then what will come? B square. That's all. Everybody comfortable? Okay? Understand? Now, the point is, there is no need to do all this stuff. Now, for the squares and all, there is no need to do all this stuff. You know the flow method, na? Apply the flow method. What is the necessary of A squares, B square, 2ABs? Whatever the squares you want, for example, don't afraid, but I am telling this also. 23 into 23, you know flow method, just do it. 23 twos, so 46. Now 69, 9, 12, 529. So you use 3 digits also, you know the 3-digit multiplication. Na? If you want to do the square for 321 into 321, then do it, comfortable. Why not? 963, 963, 642, 642, and then 321, 321. That's all. But you know the formula also, but you have to know the application also. That's what I am telling, the formula and application. If you are comfortable in doing application for small numbers, do it. If you are comfortable in doing application for big numbers, do it. But wherever you are comfortable, whatever method, go for it. But we know flow method. The basic thing is we know flow method. Actually, we don't know the a plus b whole square method also. We don't need to that also. But we know flow method. You can simply apply whatever the square it is. Is it 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 7 digits? Because you can easily apply that as well. We practiced that now. Any doubts?
Multiply sir 1515 sir.
1515? 1515 square. You have to do flow method or a plus b whole square method. A plus b whole square method. 15 square is 225. 15 15 is 225. 225 225. 450. Again 225. Got it? Any doubt? That's all. That's all. 1020 square. 10 square. 200. 200. 400. 20 square. 400. 2 digits na? Got it? Now everybody cleared with the formula and the flow method. Okay, done. Now we are moving to cubes. All are comfortable now? Now there is no need to learn any squares, any cubes. Just practice it, you will get all the stuff. Even by practicing itself, you remember some squares. 12 square, 178 like that, don't worry. 11 square, 1331 like that. Cube, sorry. 12 cube and 11 cube. Okay, done. So now we are moving to cubes. So 1 cubed is how much? 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 27. 4 cubed, 64. Good. 5 cubed, 120. 6 cubed. Apply. See. No, simply apply the logic of flow method. 6 into 6 square, 6 into 6, 36, 6 3s are 18, 6 6s are 36, answer 216. That's all. No need to learn cubes. Only up to 5 cubes you have to learn. After that you can apply the flow method, no problem. Now 7 cubed. 7, what is 7 square? 49. 7 fours, 28. 7 nines, 63. 6 8, 14, answer 343. What is 8 cubed? 8 into 8 square, 64. 8 6, 48. 8 fours, 32. So answer is 512. What is 9 cubed? 9 into 81, 9 8s, 72, 9 1s, 9. That's all. You have to remember this up to 9 cube. If you remember, it will be benefit to solve the problems related to cube roots. So first thing, you have to be thorough with the flow method. Then only you can learn anything. It's not the square, it's not the cube, whatever it may be. But you understand what is square and what is cube, how square is linked with cube. Square is multiply the same thing into 2 times. Cube is multiply the same thing into 3 times. 3 times means 2 times already square is there now. So apply the square and multiply with the same digit. So okay. First concentrate and learn basics very thoroughly. Then onwards, you can go. You can go how much fast you want. You can go, no problem. But understand the concepts very comfortable. It will be very useful further. Okay, now shall I move to next slide? Are you all comfortable? Okay. Done. So then there is no need to learn cubes as well. You know flow method, na? That's whatever you want. For example, 11 cube. 11 into, we know 11 square. 11 into 11, what is that? 121. 11 ones, 11, 11 twos, 22, 11 ones, 11, so on, sir. 1, 3, 3, 1. Whatever it is. There is no need to apply a plus b whole cubed formula here. Don't worry about that. We know the formula a plus b whole cubed. A cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cubed. Otherwise, a cubed plus 3ab into a plus b plus b cubed. Okay. If you want me to explain that formula as well, I will explain. But as of now, we are familiar with the flow method, then go for it. Just for the sake of explanation, I am telling. Don't think that it will be applicable to everyone, but just formula is there, a cube 3ab into 3ab into a plus b. Which cube you are doing right now here? 12 cube. So a plus b is nothing but 12. A plus b is not 3. It's nothing but 12. So a cube 3ab. 3 into 1 into 2. 3ab. 3 into 1 into 2 is how much? 6. A plus b is how much? 12. 12 6 are 72. That is 3ab into a plus b. Why we are taking two digits? One is for 3a square b, another is for 3ab square. There are two terms, that's why we are taking two digits. And then b cubed 8. That's if you are comfortable, you can use this also, no problem. 32 cubed means 3 cubed 27. 3ab. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 into a plus b 32. 18 3s 54. If you don't know, reverse we can apply. 18 2s 36. If you don't know, reverse can apply 36. So answer is 576. So 576. Then 2 cubed is 8. So answer is 8 6 7 2 3. If you understand the formula, you can apply that. Otherwise, very simple. Apply 32 cube is nothing but 32 into 32 square. 32 into, you can apply flow method, 32 into 32, no problem. 32 into 3, 33 into 2, further. Okay, got it now? Choice is yours. If you are comfortable with the formula, go for the formula. If you are not comfortable, go for the flow method. A cube, 3ab into a plus b, we are taking two terms, that way we are putting two digits. Got it now? Choice is yours. It's not compulsory. That's why I am only up to a plus b whole square, because a plus b whole square is comfortable to everyone. Everyone knows the formula. But a plus b whole cubed is not that much comfortable as a plus b whole square. So that's why forget about that. Just practice it. But any math student is there, he is so comfortable with a plus b whole cube, then he can go for this. But remember, the middle digit must be two digits, because for 3a square b 1 digit and 3ab square 1 digit. So commonly we will consider as 3ab into a plus b. Okay, forget about that. Make it down. Okay, everyone comfortable with squares and cubes? Only with flow method, that's all. If you thorough with flow method, no need to learn squares, cubes. That's all. Okay, na? Move to square roots. Pardon? 1408 square. Okay. Is the way we will do? Is it okay? What is 14 square? What is 14 eights? 8, 32, 112. 112, 112, 2 to 4. 2, 2, 4. What is 8 square? Got it now? But what you did the mistake is you put 4 here and the 6 here. But we are considering 2D, it's now. Don't forget 0. 0 has many things to do. Got it? Everyone comfortable? Shall we move? Good. Now square root. Now tell me what the square root is. Why is square root? What is the necessary of square root? What is the difference between square and square root? See. 2 square is how much? Square root of 4 is how much? See. Square and square root. Symbols. You got it now? Why they put symbol for square root this? Square is reversed. So you have to reverse the square root. That's all. Go back to root. 4 came. What is the root for 4? Where did it come? 2. That is the answer. Got it? Understand? Any doubt? Now, 2 square is how much? 4. 1 square is how much? 1. What is square root of 100? What is square root of 400? Now my question is, any value in between root 100 and root 400, definitely it must be 10 to 20 only. There is only 10 numbers are there which are square roots, that's all, between root 100 and root 400. Rest won't get square roots. Am I right or not? Everybody agrees or not? So that means, understand this, very, very important. If you understand this, there is no need to do square roots. Root 100 and root 44. Tell me one thing that is square between root 100 and root 400. Tell me one number. It is between root 100 and root 400. Any number. Root 144. That must be the square, definitely. So 144. We know, but root 144. So is it root 100 plus 44? So definitely it is greater than 10, less than 20. Am I right? If it is definitely greater than 10 and less than 20. Answer lies between 10 and 20 only. What are the possible answers for this root 144? What is the unit place here? When the 4 will come, which digit if you square? 2 square. That is, answer is 12. And tell me another digit, which is, what is the linked number for 2? 8 square. There are two possible answers. One is 12, that is less than 15. Another is 18, that is greater than 15. So you have to choose one among 12 and 18. Which one you choose? How you choose? I will choose for 144, 12, because it is nearest to 100, not 400. It is nearest to 100. It is not nearest to 400. Now tell me what is 18 square? Do it and tell me. 18 square. 1, 16, 64, 3, 24. That's all. Just remember 1, 8, 8, 16, 64, 4, 12, 324. Got it, na? 324 is okay? 18 square. So, see, 1, 16, 64, 324. Now we are doing square root of 324. See, 324. So it is greater than root 100 and less than root 400. Do you agree? So answer must be, here 4 is there. So answer must be 12 or 18. So I have to consider 12 or 18. Which one I have to consider? Why? That's all. If you have a chaos, you are not able to understand whether which one you have to choose, then you have the mediator, that is squares ending with 5, that already we know. What is the square ending with 5? Between 10 and 20. What is the 15 square? So 225. Consider 225, whether 144 is less than 225 or greater than 225. So definitely the answer must be less than 15. So what is the answer that is less than 15 and unit digit must be 4? That's all. Got it? Can we apply the same logic to all square roots or not? That's all. But for that what you required? You required what is 2 square, you required what is 3 square, and you must know it is in between root 400 or root 900. And you must know it is in between root 900 or unit root 1600. That means 30 and 40. Got it? This is the logic you have to understand. See, don't do anything that is nasty. Simply observe the concept and simply just by seeing it you can tell the answer. But for that what you required is a little bit of practice and the basic knowledge of numbers. That's all. A little information about the numbers. That a 4th grade school kid knows. That's all. Even these things you can easily taught to the 5th grade kid. He will understand very easily. Am I right or not? And he is more comfortable also. So now also you have to learn in the same passion. Kids will learn with very passion. You have to do like that only. Because the basics are that much important. Got it? Any doubts? Now tell me whatever the number you want, but it must be square. Don't tell root 1, 2, 3, tell me the square. It's not possible, na? Okay, got it? Now I will use one small table. Remember the table. So what is 1 square? Tell me the unit digit of 1 square. Tell me the unit digit for 2 square. Unit digit for 3 square. Unit digit for 4 square. Unit digit for 5 square. Unit digit for 6 square. Unit digit for 7 square. Unit digit for 8 square. Unit digit for 9 square. So once you get unit digit 1, that means the answer must be 1 and the linked number for 1, 9. Answer must be 4, linked number, so answer for 4 is 2, linked number is not for 4, for 2, for 9, and then fantastic, 6, unit digit, 4 square is how much? So 4, and the linked number 5. This is the table you have to remember. This is the unit digit and this is the result in the unit digit place. So it is not to be remembered, but just to know, that's all. Whenever you are doing square roots, unit digit must be, what is that unit digit? Only 14965. Otherwise it won't come. If somebody asks you square root, have you seen the movie Shakuntala in Hindi? See, once there is a competition between her and the computer. Computer says some square root, but she says is wrong. But those people will say you are wrong. You are saying something wrong. Later, the next day newspaper they will Shakuntala is more brilliant than computer. In that question, what happened? Because at the end answer is 3. If you didn't observe, go and again observe. Every square root end with 3 is not possible. She knows that. So how it is possible? But what happened? The last 2 digits are replaced over there. Interchanged, in fact. That's why. You got it, na? What I am telling. So only these digits had to come. The digits which won't be there are 2, 3, 7, 8. If 2, 3, 7, 8 comes in a square root, then there is no square root for those numbers. If somebody asks you root of 153, what is the square root? There is no square root because it's end with 3. Got it? Not only square, not only end with 3, it must be square of some number. Otherwise, we won't get square root. Without square, how will root will come? Got it, na? Do it. Make a note of it. Remember that stuff. Now tell me any number, whether it is 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit, up to 5 digits you can ask any number, but it must be square. We will do some numbers. Up to 5 digits you can ask. Okay, just do it, calculate it, multiply with same number, you will get whatever the stuff. Just ask me and we will do, and we will close the square roots and we will move to cube roots. Do it fast. Any number. 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits. Up to 5 digits, okay. More than that is not necessary, but we can do, but it's not necessary as far as examination is concerned. 9801 square root. See, we are dividing two digits because it's square, so we are taking two digits. So here what is there? 0, 1 is there. So for 1, what are the possible answers? Tell me. 1 or 9. So 1 or 9. So next, we got the digit at unit place. Now we are trying to get the digit at tens place. Now tell me what is here? 98. 98 means which square it is? Nearest to which square it is? 9 square. 9 square is what? 81. 10 square is what? 100. So it is not more than 100. Definitely it will be more than 90. So answer must be 91 or 99. But it is nearest to 100 or nearest to 90. That is the question. Answer 9801 is nearest to 1000 or 8100. 1000. So answer is 99. Otherwise, no need. You know the number that is squares ending with 5. That is 95 according to squares ending with 5 formula. So 9 into 10 is how much? N into n plus 1. 9 into 10? 90 and 5 square is 25. So this number is greater than 9025 or less than 925. So our answer must be 99. That's all. Got it, anyone? Any confusions? Shall I explain once again? Okay. See, listen carefully. The question 9801 has to be split into two parts. Why it has to be split into two parts? Very simple. Root 100 means answer is 10. So these 2 zeros for 0 and this 1 for this one. That's all. Units place and tens place. Is it okay? So that's why you have to take 2 digits for the units place and the rest of the digits for the tens place. Even if it more, then 100 place will come. No issue. But here only units place and tens place is there. For 0, 1, we are consider 1 square is 1 and 9 square also 1. We know the linked number. Once you know 1, simply write the linked number. That's all. No need to verify it. 1, 9. But now we are searching for the digit at tens place. So the related digits that are for tens place are 98. 98 is which square? The range where it lies. 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. So it is less than 100 and greater than 81. So we will consider 9. So in tens place 9 is there. So 91 or 99 is the answer. How to check whether 91 or 99 is the answer? Nearest number or squares ending with 5. Choice is yours. Go for nearest number or squares ending with 5. 95 square we know. N into n plus 1. 9 into 10. 90 and then 25. So 9025, 9801. 9801 is more than 9025. So answer is okay. Now just for the sake of understanding purpose, we will do 6 digit also, just for you, for your understanding purpose. Okay, just give me some 6 digit number so that you are comfortable with 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 digits. We will do. It's okay na? Note it down. We will move to next slide. And even one more thing, you will get all this as a material. They will make it PDF and give to you. Don't worry. That also you will do. But you have to note down. That is very important because you have to practice then and there only. So don't think we will get stuff and all. We will get later. That's not possible. Is it okay? Everyone comfortable? Shall I move to next slide or not? Everyone, don't put sad face, sir. I will get some. Say, is everyone interested in seeing the movie Pushpa? Yes or no? When it is coming? No, 5th it is coming, I think. No, 5th, I think. Here also, 14, 15. It won't. It will release on entire India, na? 5th only, na? Is there any benefit shows? Here, no benefit shows. 5th reason. Is there any benefit shows here? No benefit shows. Only regular shows only. Okay, anybody is going for noon show? 2 o'clock or first show or second show? Not first show or second show, noon show everybody going. So from here on, so go now, that's why. After completing class, we can move. Okay, okay. Just look, okay. Comfortable na? Till, na? No sad faces. That's why. Enter Pushpa game. Okay, next. Now, tell me 6 digits. Any 6 digits. One. Square is there. Na? Okay, 1, 8, 0, 6, 2, 5. But don't give 5, yeah? But anyhow. But next onwards, we'll do one more digit also without 5. But comfortable converting the entire digits into 2 places. So answer we will get, there are 3 places, that is units place and tens place and the hundreds place. As far as units concerned, it is clear that is 5. There is no to do anything. But for this, we don't know exactly what will this digits comes here. But for this, 18 is there. Now tell me the range where 18 lies. 4 to 5. So definitely the digit over here is 4 only. So now you have to identify 40. What is 40 square? 1600. So it is 1800. What we know the clue, 45 square. What is 45 square? 2025. Definitely it lies between 40 and 45 only. Just cross check it where it lies, that's all. 42 square or 43 square. Just cross check it. You know 42 square and 43 square now how to do? 4 square means 16, 8, 8, again 16, and the 2, 4. So answer is 1764. 43 square means 16, 12, 12, 24, 12, 12, 24, and 3 square is 9. So answer is 1849. So it is not 43, it is 42 only. So answer is 425. Am I right? Is there any confusion? Everyone comfortable? Shall I repeat again? Shall I repeat it? Okay. So we are converting the square root of 180625 into 3 parts by making 2 digits. Every 2 digits we are considering as units place and tens place and hundreds place. So as far as units place is concerned, here the digit units place is 5. That's why we will take as 5 because the Lincoln number for 5 is also 5. Now, as of now, we hold for the middle digit and we will move to the digit required at a hundreds place. Now we are identifying the range for hundreds place, that is 18. What is the range for 18? It's 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. 25 is not here, so we'll move back, and 16 is there, so we'll cross 4. So we'll put 4 over here. Again, there is a chance of 40 square we know 1600 and 45 square we know 2025. Definitely it must be 41, 42, 43. 1600 nearest to 41 or 42 maybe. So 41 won't possible because it is 18. So we'll check 42. We checked 42, it is 1764, and we have again cross checked 43 also, but it is 1849, but it is more than 1806. That's why we are considering only 42. But as we already know, the units place is 5, so answer is 425. Any more questions? Is it okay? All are comfortable? Okay. Now, anyone who can ask another 5 digit or 6 digit number, but the unit place must be not 5. Any question? So that you can do something. 5 means we can easily do. Without 5, tell me number that is, take 3 digits, you will get 6 digits, that's all. Multiply 3 digits into 3 digits. Tell me. 5, 7, 9, 1, 2, 1, the square root. Okay. 3 digits. Everyone, you only tell. Just I will ask the question. What is the digit comes here? 1 or 9. Forget about this place. Come to place. Now tell me the range where it lies. 8 square is not possible. 7 square is, so can I write 7? 7 square is 49. It is 57, far away. So 75. Check 75 square. What is 75 square? 75 square. Square ending with 5. 5, 6. Fantastic. 5625. 5625 is 5791 is greater than 5625. Okay. So we will go greater than 5625. 571 is greater than. So we will take 76 square. 76 square. 76 square. So 76 square means 49, 42, 42, 84, and then 6 square 36. 6, 7, 17, 5, 7, 7, 6. So 5776, it is less. There is no need to check 77 as well because it is near. So 76 is the answer. So answer is 761 or 769. Now we have to cross check with which digit, tell me. 765. That's all. Good. 765. So 765 square is nothing but 76 into 77 and then 25. Now tell me what is 76 into 77. Remember carefully. I will tell one more logic here. It is 77 into 76. So it is 11 into 7 into 76. So 7 sevens 49, 7 6 42. It is our comfortable to do calculations. Wherever you want, you will feel easy, go for way that way. That's all. That is you have to learn. Okay. Now 2, 9, 4, 13, and it is 5 to again 11. So 55, again 33, and then 22. So answer is 2, 5, 8, 5, 5, 8, 5, 2. So 77 into 76 is how much? 5, 8, 5, 2. 5, 8, 5, 2 is greater than this one. Okay. No need to go for 9. So the answer is 761. Is it okay? See, if very typical question paper will come, then the squares with the 2 digits, square roots with this digits will come. But to make comfortable up to 4 digits, I am telling this, that's all. But practice, it's more than enough. We are going a little bit extent only. Okay. Shall I close it as of now for square roots? Shall we do some more examples? All of you are comfortable now? You can practice now. One more example. 30,000. 30,976. Okay. Okay. Shall we move to the next page? Everyone, are you comfortable with this? Shall I move or you make note? Somebody is making notes. That's why I just hold. Okay. Everyone comfortable? Can I move to the next slide? Okay. Take 1 minute. Then we will move in the next slide. We will do in the next slide only. 3096. Sir, till then you try just. Same process. 76093. Everyone try. In fact, do it. Just make a try. Three 30976. By seeing itself, you can guess. It's not that much difficult, but make a try. Okay. Got it? Check it out whether it is 174 or 176. Done with 175. Check with 175 square. Because 4, 6, you have to be very careful because we can't judge whether it is related to 170 or 180. So it's very tough to judge. That's you have to be very careful at that point. If your unit digit is 4 or 6, now you have to be very careful. So now anyhow we know how to do square roots. Now we will do square roots without pen and paper. Directly how to do. Okay, without pen and paper we will try to do. Okay na? Are you all comfortable with that? Now listen carefully. Now we will do next slide only, but without pen and paper how to do. See first what to bifurcation, 2 digits, 2 digits. So 1 square is how much? 1. 2 square is 400. Definitely it is 300 means definitely it is greater than 15. So answer must be around 16, 17. Just cross check. What is 16 square? It's 196. What is 17 square? 289. So it is greater than 289. It is not 18 square. So it is 324. So greater than 18. So definitely answer must be 170. Here 6 is there. It is the 4 square is 16. So 4 and the linked number is 6. Definitely the answer is 174 or 176. There is no need to do anything. But simply multiply with the next digit. 17, 18 is how much? According to 1 AM technique, 17, 18 is how much? 1, 15, 56. That is 306. Okay. So now it is 17 into 1 AM technique. 17 into 18. Why we are doing 1 AM? Then only we have to put 25 na. So 1 AM, 1, 7, 8 addition 15, 56. So 6, 5, 5, 10. So answer is 306. So the answer is more than 306 or less than 306? More than 306. So answer is 176. Sorry, 176. Answer is 176. Got it? Any doubts? Which one? 17 into 18. This one. So we know 1 AM technique, na? 1 AM technique. Yesterday you didn't come, na? Oh, no problem. I will explain. See, whenever in tens place it is 1, you can apply the logic of 1 AM. 1 AM in the sense 1 addition and multiplication. 1 addition, 7 plus 18, 7 plus 8, how much? 7 plus 8, 15. So 7 8s, 56. The 15 is addition part and 56 is the multiplication part. You have to put only one digit and the rest you have to carry. Okay. Now what is 17 into 18? That is 306. So number is greater than 306. That means the answer is greater than 175. So greater than 175, which one will come? 174 or 176? 176. Got it? Understand? Everyone comfortable? Okay, done? Okay, I think there is no need to explain again 30976. Is it required? Okay, so still if you want, you can directly do, don't worry. 30976 46 greater than 17 square, 174, 176, 175, n into n plus 1, 17 into 18, that is 306. So greater than 306, that is 9. So answer needs to be 171, 174 or 176. We will consider 176. That's all. Without pen and paper also we can do. It's not a problem. This is the process we have to do within ourselves. Just imagine and do. Got it? Everyone okay with this? Comfortable? Shall I move to next slide? Okay. Now, not that much typical cubes. We know cube roots, na? So what is 1 cube? Tell me. What is cube root of 1000? 10. What is 2 cubed? 8. What is the cube root of 8000? So cube roots of 1000 to 8000 lies between 10 and 20. Only 8 cubes are there. That's all. 1000 and 8000. Only 8 cubes are 8. Only 10 cubes are there. Okay. Now any cube. See, now I will tell how to practice cubes. For example, if you want to practice cubes, first do 12 cube. So you will get 12 into 12 square. So that is 12 into 144. So again 1728, we know how it, but practice the cube root of 178. Definitely what is the answer you are going to get? 12 only. Check in this way. If you are getting the again same answer, brilliant. If you are not getting the same answer, you are too brilliant. That's all. This is the way you have to practice. Squares are square roots. That's all. So now what is the square root of 1728? We know, but we are cross checking. Cube root of 1728. Now tell me how many digits you have to consider to bifurcate? 3. Why? Here 3 zeros for unit place. Samely 3 digits. So now tell me what is the unit digit over here? 8. What is the digit 8? What is the 8 comes from? From 2D. 2 cubed is 8. So that's why 2 is the answer. So for 1 is 1. That's all. Same thing. No need of checking with squares ending with 5 or stuff like that. Directly you can write. Cube roots are damn easy. Directly you can say answers. It's not a problem. But remember one thing. That is, so if unit digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is, tell me what is the, if 1 will come, what is the cube of 1? Cube root of 1? 1 only, na? 1. Forget about 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9. Even 4 will come, the answer is also 4. 5, 5 is the answer. And 6, 6 is the answer. 9, 9 is the answer. There is no change. But you have to concentrate only on this. 2, 3, 7, 8. But for exclusive for 2, 3, 7, 8, you will get only the linked numbers. What is the linked number for 2? 8. Linked number for 3? 7. Linked number for 7? 3. Linked number for 8? 2. That's all. Remember this table, you will get an answer. These are the unit places and these are the answers. But these are special. Remember these things, that's all. So 8, 2, directly, no need to anything. 8, linked number, answer, that's all. 3, linked number, 7, linked number. Okay, the rest, same number. So if somebody asks you, cube root of 1, 3, 3, 1, cut it, same number, 1, 11 is the answer. Okay, got it? Any doubts? It's very easy. Cube roots are very easy. You can ask any digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digits, no problem. Okay. So what is the cube root of 27? Don't think anything. Linked number for 7. That's all. What is, understand na? What is the cube root of 64? 4. That's all. Remember the numbers which you are doing linked numbers and for which we are not doing the linked numbers. That's all. 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 and 9, 9, same thing. The only rest of the digits you have to use linked numbers. Okay, got it? Any doubts? Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. Now tell me any number. It must be the cube. That is the condition. Don't tell, because you will get answer but it won't be right. Okay, tell me. Anyone? 80? 50? 5, 0, 6, 5, 3. Is it okay? So cube root of this. How many digits you have to bifurcate? 3. So this is the answer. And what is the range for this? 4 cubed is what? 64. 3 cubed is 27. So it won't reach. 3 for 3 linked number, that is 7. 37. Okay na? Any doubt? Any doubt? Tell me. Repeat. So cube root, how many digits you have to bifurcate? 3 digits. So 653. What is digit here? For 3 it will be linked number. For 1 it's 1. For 3 it's a linked number. Now what is the range of 50? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, in between 3 and 4. So 30 and 40. So answer must be 30 and 40. And here 7 is there. So answer is 37. Got it? Or shall I repeat? Here important thing is 50. The range you have to identify. You know the cube. You must know the cubes. That's why I told at least 1 to 9 cubes you must know. Otherwise, again, it's a very nice thing to remember. Got it? Everyone? So with now both square roots, cube roots, face value, multiplications with different places, everything is over. Any doubt regarding till now ask me. I will give 5 minutes break to think. If you have any doubts you can ask. Next we are moving a half an hour beautiful session that is very important, unit digit session. You are going to learn unit digit. Till now you learned only unit digit in different manner. Now we are going to learn unit digit in special manner. In examinations questions will come like this. What is the unit digit of 756 to the power of 756? Tell me. 56 to the power of 756. It's 6 only. Because 6 into 6 is how much? 36. Again 36 into 6 how much? Again whatever the 6 it is, unit digit 6 only na. So how many times you repeat, we will get only 6. The problem is there. We will go to discuss which digits we are going to hit and we will learn those digits. Don't worry. But take 5 minutes and relax it and tell me whatever the doubts you want. Till now, once you move to unit digit, then we will discuss only about unit digit. Because it's a very good topic, it's easy and it is useful in many ways as well. See, the topics which we are learning, it is not only for that purpose. It will come in different ways, different manners. Squares ending with 5 only comes for this square roots, not like that, na. That's why the 1 am technique. See here in square root also you are using squares ending with 5, 1 am. All this stuff we will use in different way also. LCM, HCF, all this stuff we will use in different ways. So remember and practice these things very. These are the basic thing we are learning for the last day and this day. We will use these things for entire aptitude test, aptitude way. Almost maybe at around 14 to 15, whatever the sessions it is, we will use all these techniques. Do it fast. Tell me. Any doubts? Tell me. 95 443 993. 95 443 993. How many digits are there? Is it necessary? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, good, no problem. Cut it 3 7. Now cut it 95. 95 is, it's a no, not you are doing square. 5 cube is 125. 4 cube is, so it crossed 4. So now check 4. You have to find the middle digit. Check it and tell me. There is no logic na. 64 bits, just check it out. 50 cubed we know na. 50 cubed is how much? 125000. So it is not 1250, it is less than. So it is not 50. Just check it out from 45 onwards. 45 cubed to 46 cubed to 47. Then that is no way. That is the only way you have to identify. Got it na? So approximately it will be, I think 467, I think, or 477. What is the answer? 450. 457. 457. 45 cubed is, I think, less than. Good. Yeah, that is our own hectic task we have to do. There is no option. For that, you use flow method and do it fast. Again flow method. You do it flow method and do it fast. 45 into 45 square, 45 into 46 into 46 square, 47 into 46 square. That's all. These three you have to do. Got it, na? 45. I told you 45. You can approximately you can guess up to when. See, it is 95. Definitely it is around 45. So what you have to do? You have to check 45 into 45 square, 45, 46 into 46 square, or 47 into 46. Once you identify this range, then it is again no. That is the only thing you have to do in cube. Nothing else. This you can get easily by seeing the number. This you can easily get by understanding the range. But this digit you have to find. But you are doing how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah, 9 digits of square root you are doing. And that too, at least you have to take some respect now for that question. 10 to 12 seconds. Otherwise, that question will fail. That's the problem. Got it? So, till 3 minutes, 3 more minutes is there. Anyone? So this is these 3 minutes are relaxation. Don't think that we just clarifying the doubts. All people who want to relax, just relax and do meditation you want, but don't close your eyes. Open meditation, open eye meditation. Okay. 7056. 7056 is there. So for 6 what will come? 4 or 6 will come. 70 range is 8 square. So answer is 84 or 86. 85 square you know 72. So answer is 84. 4 और 6 में क्या 4 का नु कल आया था क्या 4 का लिंकिंग नंबर क्या है दैट्स ऑल 4 और 6 सो टेल मी 7056 बाय फॉरगेट इज इट ओके कंफर्टेबल 6 का मतलब 4 इज इट ओके लिंकिंग नंबर का मतलब ओके यू आर आस्किंग व्हाई हाउ यू आर टेकिंग 4 and 6 दैट्स द क्वेश्चन ओ 5 से 4, 6 are best friends and 5 is the mediator. Before 5, see 5 always 5 acts as a mediator for all the best friends 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the linked numbers. Got it? This you have to remember. This is the soul. As far as squares is concerned, it is very important. And even 5, we always checked. If it is 5, only 5 will come. But it is 6 means 6. Unit digit 6, for which square it will come? 4 square. 4 square is 16 and then 6 square is 36. So answer is 4 or 6. But range of this one is 8 square is 64 and the 9 square is 81. So definitely what you have to take? 8 only. 8 only na? So answer is 84 or 86. But you may get some confusion because 4 and 6 are very near only. So that's why you can't guess which is nearer to which one. It is or 80 square or 90 square. That's why you have to go for 5 techniques, squares ending with 5. Squares ending 5 with the 85 square. We know n into n plus 1. The 8 nines. So it is less than 72 or greater than 72. Less than 72 means you have to consider 84 or 86. That's what. Okay, everyone. See, anyone who is having any doubts regarding this, definitely ask me. I will clarify. How basic it is, don't worry. Even though if you have some doubt, if 2 into 3 is 5, then also I ask, I will tell. Okay, got it? Any doubts? 2 more minutes, 1 more minute. Relax. After 1 minute, I will put some questions on the board to find a unit digit. You have to identify. Then I will discuss. It's not a that much typical question, but you can easily do it. Okay, that's why I'm telling relax for the 1 minute. You are going to answer some similar questions. So one related to unit digit. Very easy, don't worry. Find the unit digit of the following. Whatever the answer you will get, do it fast and write the answers. If you are not getting, leave it. That's all. Don't take more than 5 minutes. Just do it. Leave it. If you are not getting, leave it. That's all. The term you have to remember while solving the problems for unit digit is cyclicity. This is the very important term you have to remember. Cyclicity. Cyclicity, repetition, cyclicity of the particular number. That is important. So make a note of it. And I will give you 5 minutes of time. Do it fast. Again, you can ask any question. If you have any doubt, I can ask. 325 into 6389, 2 power 25 into 125 to the power of 528, 3 power 23, 4 power 16 into 6 power 36, 7 power 23, 616 to the power of 516 into 215 to the power of 325, 219 to the power of 912 into 434 to the power of 345, 7 power 5 into 3 power 5, 12 power 12 into 13 power 13. That's all. Whoever came today, just make a note of yesterday's thing as well and have a little chat with friends. Whatever you understood, okay, no issues. Otherwise, whenever I am free, just break time, you can ask, no issues. Okay. But don't miss the sessions. It's long sessions now, that's why don't miss. Plenty of things will be covered. Three more minutes. Leave it. If you don't know, leave it. That's all. Anyhow, just to get familiarity with the questions, I am giving. That's all. Just to get familiarity with the questions, so you can repeat the question. If you get, it's good. Definitely, you can do 1, 2, 3. 3, 4 questions very easily. By seeing itself, you can tell 4 answers. Rest, it will take some time because the concept you don't know, that's why. Okay? It's okay? Shall we start? Now tell me, what is the answer for the first question? Good. Is any doubt for everyone? Anyone? No, because unit, so we have to consider only 5 and 9. That's why 9 5 are 45, because you are doing unit digit. 9 5 are 45, so answer is 5. Okay? Now, what is the answer for second question? Why? How first one will be 2? Cycle? Which cycle? Bicycle or tricycle? So आपको यूनिट डिजिट के बारे में पता है पहला, ऐसा कुछ है या नहीं है? अभी सुन रहा है? Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So 2 power 25 means whatever the digit is, it must be the even number. We know the divisibility rules. Even number into 5, 0. That's all. Even number into 5, 0. Any even number into 5, 0 only na. Unit digit. We don't know answer. Forget about the answer, but definitely it will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Definitely na. Unit digit 2, 4, 6, 8 only. Because in 2 table 2, 4, 6, 8 only comes. If you multiply with 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 with 5, what will the unit you will get? That's all. Got it? Okay, leave it. Next, leave it, leave it, leave it. Next, this one. Again 0. For 6, 6, 5, 5. 6, 5 is 30. 0 answer. For 6 you will get only 6. For 5 you will get only 5. 5 into 5, 25 only na. Got it? So that's why the cyclicity of 1, 6, 5 will be only 1. Cyclicity of is, so one time only it will repeat. 1 into 1 is 1. 6 into 6, the unit digit is 6. 5 into 5, the unit digit 5. We call it as a cyclicity. Within one cycle, you will get the same number. So it repeats. So cyclicity of 165 is 1. Understand? The cyclicity of 165 is 1. So whatever the power it is, 1 power anything, you will get the unit digit only 1. 5 power anything, you will get the unit digit only 5. 6 power anything, you will get unit digit only 6. Because for unit digit, there is no need to consider these digits. So you have to consider only 6. 6 power 1, 6 power 2, 6 power 3 or 6 power anything, you will get the unit digit as 6 only. 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6 again 6. How many times it is? 6 only. Now for the 5 also you will get 5 because cyclicity of 5 is 1. 5 into 5 you will get this 5. Any doubt? Are you getting or everyone? Any confusion? No. Now this one we'll do later. No issues. This one also we'll do later. This one also we'll do later. So now we did the questions which are having the cyclicity 1. Okay, cyclicity 1. Here the cyclicity is 1, so 5 will come. 5 into here 5 into the logic of even number. 5 into even number, so answer is 0. And here 9 into 5, answer is 5. For here 6 into 5, so 6. For this 6 will come, and for this 5 will come. Again the unit digit also 0. Okay, till now okay. So cyclicity for 165 is 1. Now we will move to the digits which are having cyclicity 2. Guess among all the digits, that is from 1 to 9, which are having the cyclicity 2 apart from 165, that is the 1. What are the remaining digits apart from 165? 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So among these linked numbers are there. What is the linked number for 2? 8. What is the linked number for 3? 7. What is the remaining numbers? Those are having cyclicity 2. Separate the set of linked numbers. Then what are the digits remaining? 4, 9. These two digits are having cyclicity 2. How? Check it. What is 4 power 1? 4. What is 4 power 2? 16. What is the unit place? 6 over. Now, if you multiply 4 power 3 is again 4 into 4 square. So, what is the unit digit that will come? 4. So, 4 power 4, what is the unit digit that will come? 6. So, the repetition happenings after 2 times. So, cyclicity is 2. If repetition happens after 1 time, the cyclicity is 1. Got it? Any doubt? Any doubts? So 4 power 1 is 1, 4 power 2 is 16. So from this we came to a conclusion. From this we came to a conclusion that 1 is even number or odd number. So 4 power odd. 4 power odd, you will get the same number, and 4 power 2 is even. You will get the linked number. 4 2 are having the cyclicity 2. If power is odd, 4 9 are having cyclicity 2. If power is odd, you will get the same numbers. If power is even, you will get the linked numbers as answer. This you have to remember very carefully. To solve these questions, it will be very, very helpful. Now tell me, 4, 9, power is odd, you will get what number? Same number. And 4, 9, if power is even, you will get the linked number. What is the linked number for 4? 6. What is the linked number for 9? 1. That's all. So finally, the digits which are remaining right now for cyclicity is 2 and the linked number 8 and the 3 and the linked number 7. Okay, just make a note of it and we will do the rest of the problems by using this concept 2, 8, 3, 7. Now try it and guess what is the cyclicity for 2, 3, 8, 7. Just do it and tell me. Cyclicity. What is 2 power 1? 2 square? 2 cubed? 2 power 4? 2 power 5? So unit digit is again which come? 2 is cubed. So it's repeated after 4 times. After 4 times. So cyclicity for 2, 8, 3, 7 is 4. Cyclicity for 2, 8, 3, 7 is 4. Note down, cyclicity for 165 is 1, cyclicity for 49 is 2, and cyclicity for 2837 is 4. For all the digits is 4 only, not only 2. I will tell one small table. Based on that table, you will remember these things as well. Okay. Everyone noted the questions now? So I am moving to next slide and we will do the questions one by one. Okay. 3 power 23. So now the question 3 power 23. So for 3 we know the cyclicity is 4. Power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. So these are the powers. Tell me what is 3 power 1? 3 power 2? So with this information, 1 is same thing and 2 is square. Okay, 1 is same thing and 2 is square. Now 3 is linked number. 3 is linked number for 3. Now 4 is what, tell me? 1. Linked number for 9. Remember this thing, this will be applicable to all the digits, not only this. Same logic will be applicable. 3. Now I am writing for 2 as well. Check it out. So if power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, the square is 4, and third part linked number, and fourth, what is the linked number for 4? 6. Next, as far as 7 is concerned, power 1, 2, 3, 4, same number, and the square is what? 9, and the 3 linked number for 7 is 3, linked number for 9 is 1. Very, very simple to remember. If you listen carefully, you will understand. If you wantedly, if you don't want to listen, then nobody will do anything. Choice is yours. Okay. 3, 2, 7. Now which digit is remain? 8 only, na? So, and one more. For 2, whatever the digits came, for 8 also, that digits comes. For 3, whatever the digits comes, 7 also same thing, because those are the linked digits. Now 8, see, power 1, 2, 3, 4. Power 1, it will be same, that we know, power 1 is same. Square means 4. Next linked number for 8, 2. Linked number for 4, 6, 8246, 2486, 3971, 7931. 991144. Okay, got it? 66. These will be going to help a lot to identify unit digit of how much bigger the numbers are. But it is not that much difficult. There is no need to mug up as well, but remember things. If not, also you can easily do number and square, 1, 2, number and square. The rest are linked numbers are 1 and 2. That's all. Whatever the digit it is, 2, 3, 7, 8. So this is the process you have to remember. Then we will do. Now tell me, everyone comfortable? Na? Okay. Now tell me, 3 power 23 means 3 has to repeat how much times? 23 times. So among those 23 times, how many you can remove? 4 multiples you can remove. Na? So for every repetition happens. Na? So that means what you have to do is you have to divide the power by 4 and mention the remainder here. That is what you have to do. 4, 23 by 4. 4 times 5 is how much? What is the remainder? So this is nothing but 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 means 3. Linked number for 3 is 7. So answer is 7. That's all. You know 3 cubed is 27. That's not a problem. But anyhow, we are following some pattern. Na? Just follow that. You will get the answer. It is not that much difficult. It's a slowly understand the concept, then do how much fast you want. Everyone comfortable? Make a note of it. I can move to next slide and we'll go next questions as well. Okay. Tell me what is the fourth question? Which one? Huh? 4 power 16. So into 6 power 36. So for 6 it is 6 only. We know clearly because cyclicity 1. For 4 you have to check whether this is even number or odd number. This is even number or odd number? Even number. Ante 4 power, that means 4 power even number. Even means you will get same number or linked number? Linked number. What is the linked number for 4? 6. 6 into 6, what is the unit digit? That's So now we are doing the problem 4 power 16 into 6 power 36. We know 6 into 6 is 6 only. So how many 6 are there? That doesn't mean 6 only will get. But for 4, the cyclicity is 2. We know the cyclicity is 1, 5, 6. The cyclicity is 1, 4, 9. It is 2, 2, 3, 7, 8. It is 4. But here 4, it comes in here. So cyclicity is 2. Okay. 2 means definitely the number must be either even number or odd number. Here the number is even number. So for even number, what you will get? Odd number you will get same and even number you will get linked number. So what is the linked number for 4? 6. So answer is, got it? Any doubts? Next question. Tell me the next question. 7 power 23. What is the cyclicity for 7? So how many you have to remove among 23? 20, because 4 5s are 20. The remainder is 3. So remainder is 3. What is the 3 means? You have to get the linked number of 7. What is the linked number for 7? So answer is 3. Otherwise you know 7 cube, that is 343. 3 is the answer. We know the cubes, that's okay. But even though if you don't know the cubes, if you didn't remember also, what is the linked number for 7? 3. That's okay now. Got it? Next question. Next question. Nobody has written questions. 6. That is over, na? Say, okay, no, 6 1 by 6 power 516 into 515 to the power 325. It's already over, na? 6 into 5, that is 0. Unit digit is 0. Okay, next question. 219 to the power 912 into 434 314. Okay, 45. Okay, 45. Okay, see now, very simple. We need only the unit digits, so there is no need to. And anyhow, for 9 and 4, we have to consider even and odd. This one is even and this one is odd. Odd, you will get the same number. Even, you will get linked number. Answer is 4. Any doubts? Next question. 7 power 5 into 3 power 5. So 7, 3. What are the cyclicities for 7 and 3 respectively? It's 4 and 4. That's all. So how many you have to remove? You have to remove 4. So what will come? 1, 7. You have to remove 4. The remainder will come 1. So 7 power 1, 3 power 1. So answer is 21. So unit digit is 1. Next question. 12 to the power 12 into 13 power 13. Now the problem comes. If you divide 12 by 4, what is the remainder? 0. But if 0 comes, what you have to take? Anything to the power of 0? Don't take that. That won't come here. 0 means when 0 will come, when you divide with 4. It is multiple of 4 only. That means if it is 4, when you divide by 4, you will get remainder 0, na? So you have to consider 4. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times. Last 4 will come, na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 you have to take. So don't think 0 and make it as 1. So you have to consider this 2 power 4 here into 3 power 1. Any doubt here? I will explain once again. See, here 12 is there. How many times the 2 will repeat? 12 times. We are taking 4, 4, 4, 4. It will complete it. But which one is the last one? Fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition is happening, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 powers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 4, 4. 4 3s are 12 only. Don't consider this. This is the last one, la? You are getting my point? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That means cyclicity is 4. So you have to consider 4. See, simply remember, when the remainder is 0, you have to take 4. That's all. Simply remember, if remainder is 0, you have to take 4. When divided by 4. For cyclicity is 2, 3, 7, 8. That's all. Got it? So here answer is what? 2 power 4 is what? 6 only, na? 2 power 4, 6, that we know. Power 2 square is 4. 4 into number 6. 3 power 1 is 3. So unit digit is, that's all. Next question. Completed. So everyone got an idea about the unit digit? Okay. You can do any number, na? How much bigger it is, you can do. It's not a problem. Remember only 3 things: cyclicity and the table. Cyclicity and the table. Cyclicity and the table. Okay. Shall I give at least 2, 3 questions so that you have to do on your own? Okay. We move to the next slide. Any cross check? Do it. 2 power 32 into 3 power 47 into 5 power 89 into 7 power 51. Okay. First question. Second question. 3 power 46 into 7 power 32 into 2 power 81. Third question. 43 to the power of 43 into 25 to the power of 25. Fourth question. 623 to the power of 326 into 421 to the power of 521. Fifth question. Last but not the least. 132 to the power of 231 into 147 to the power of 741. Do it fast. Any doubt? Let me know. Just do it. If you have any doubt, now let me know. But understand the cyclicity, that's all. If you understand the cyclicity, it's very easy. Okay? Cyclicity for 156 is how much? 1 only. 4, 9, 2. So 2, 3, 7, 8, 4. Five minutes. Whoever completes, just raise your hands. Good, good. Yesterday you came, na? You came late or what? Yesterday you came late or what? Yesterday. Late आए क्या? Three more minutes. लेके आना बुक. Notes लेके आना. If you have doubts now, don't say title, just whatever the doubts, just tell me where you are having doubt, tell me. You understand this now? Cyclicity of 156 is 1. That you understand now?
2, 3, 7.
On that you understand now?
How to 1?
Huh?
How to 1?
How? So 1 into 1 is how much? 5 into 5 is how much?
25.
So it is having singles, only it is repeating only one time, it is coming only one time, it is same thing coming now. Got it?
6 is only 36.
6 is 36. So first time only it is coming now. That's why 1. Okay, is it okay? Now 4, 9. 4 power 1 is 4. 4 power 2 is 6. 4 square 16. So 4 power 3 again 4 will come. 4 power 4 again 6 will come.
That is 1, 6, no. That is 2.
We are talking about only unit digit now. The entire topic is that only unit place, the digit at unit place we are discussing. So that's why we are taking only 6. So 4 cube, that unit place is 6. Even though it is 16, we are not considering. Even 64, we are not getting. 4 power 4, even though it is 216, we are not considering. We are considering only unit digit. Okay. But when it is happening, after 2 times it is happening. So after 2 times it is repeating. So 1 is odd number, 2 is even number. Okay. So 4 power odd number means you will get same number. 4 power even means you will get the linked number.
2 is 4 times.
Only for 4, 9 it is 2 times repeating now. So remaining all are 4 times repetition. I have explained that. You noted that one. So all this stuff for 2, 3 and all. Just like that you have to remember.
Unit digit.
Not like that. Not this. You may invent. I think you want to ask more what I don't know. But see, for 2, the power is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Yeah, exactly. So for 3, 397 for 2.
9 is 9.
3 square 9 only.
Okay.
3 and square, 2 and square, 7 and square.
7 square is 9.
9 only na, 49 unit digit.
49.
3 for 3 also, okay. Got it?
2, 3.
3, 2, 7, you forgot to write for 8 as well. You just write 8 squares, 8 square 64, and the Lincoln number for 8 is 2, and the Lincoln number 4 is 6. Same thing. Number square, Lincoln number for 3 is 7, Lincoln number for 9 is 1. Number square, Lincoln number 8, Lincoln number 6. Number square, Lincoln number, Lincoln numbers. For 9 it's 1.
The question 3 is 23.
3 power 23 by 3 means 23. That means you have to divide by 4, because for 4 time you are getting the same thing, na?
2 is 4 times.
No, forget for 2. For anything you have cyclicity for 2, 3, 7, 8 is 4 only. So you have divided by 4 only. So you see, after 4 times only you are repeating the same thing. See, 3, 9, 7, 1. Again 3 power 5 you will get again 3. 3, 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7. That's why. For 2 also same thing. 2, 4, 8, 6. Again 2 will come now. 16 to 2, 12. So 1 into 3, 3. So 1 into 7, 7. Like that. So that is what the cyclicity is. So you have divided by 4. So you will get remainder what? 3. So 23 divided by 4. Remainder, see, 4 5s are out. How much? 4 5s. How much? 4 times 5? 20. 4 5s are 20.
64.
5 4s. What is 5 4s? 5 times 4.
20.
20. So remainder is 3. So you have to take remainder. So instead of 2 power 23, we have to consider 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. Got it? Understand now? Do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ask me any doubts. Okay. Okay. Completed, everyone? Shall I explain? Okay. Now listen carefully. What is the answer for this? So, how many of you taken how much time? See, even there is no need to do 5 and again even number. Once 0 will come, whatever the numbers are, forget about the 0 into anything is 0, na? So answer is 0. Got it? 5 is there, even number is there. Once you multiply 5 with even number 0, once 0 comes, how many digits will come? That will be 0 only, na? So answer is 0. No need to do anything. So for this, if this type of questions will come in the exam, na, if you do, it will be waste of time. So for that time, you have to check for another purpose. Okay. Now here 3, 7, 2, all are having cyclicity 4 only. So there is no chance of this type of logics. So what you have to do? You have to divide with 4 only. So divide with 4, divide with 4, do then and there only, divide with 4. So 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. Directly you can write na. 4 8s are 32, remainder is 0. For 0 what we write? 4. 4 1s are 4 and again 4 1s are 4, remainder is 2. 3 square it is 9. 4 power 4, that means already, so 7 power 4, that means 7 square is 49. 9 linked number is what? 1 into 2 power 1 is 2. So answer is 8. Okay, got it everyone? Next. For this 5 only, but for 3 definitely which digit will come? Even number will come or odd number will come? So 5 into odd number is always 5 only. 5 into even number 0, 5 into odd number 5. Still we will do 3 power 3. 3 power 3 means 3 cubed. That means 3 square 9. 3 square is 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. So what will come? 7. 7 into 5. So 7 5 is 35. So answer is 5. So now this question will become 3 power 26 into 1 power 21. 1 power nothing, 1 only. 1 power anything is 1. Why I have written instead of 326 here 26 only, tell me? Instead of 326 I have written only 26 na? Why I have written that? Tell me. Anyone? Based on yesterday's class, tell me. We know the divisibility rule for 4. What is the divisibility rule for 4? Last 2 digits, it has to be divided by last 2 digits. So to get remainder, you have to consider only last 2 digits. So what is the necessary of doing all the? Okay. So take only 26. That's all. So 26 means remove 24, 3 power 2. So answer is okay. Everyone. So now you have to be in such mindset, wherever possible, you have to stall the time. Just like that. Within fraction of seconds you have to do. Wherever possible, you just avoid and do the step, avoid steps. Don't do all the steps required. The steps required because you have to understand the process, that's all. It is only for the process. No need to do all the steps again and again. Even squares, square roots, all the stuff. Once you understand, make a practice, do within seconds. That's what the practice is required. Got it? Last question. So, cancel. 4 7s, 28, 29, 30, 31. So, remainder is 3. Now, remainder is 1. Is it okay? 2 cube 8 into 7. Everyone comfortable? Any doubts? Cross check it. If you got wrong answers, cross check it and make it correct. Okay? Shall we take break? Yeah. So we'll be back by 11 o'clock. Is it okay? 25 minutes break. So we'll start with 11. Okay?